everyone, welcome back. Today I got something different for you guys. We're going for ice fishing at Simcoe today. Just going to pick up some friends, and I'll see you guys in a bit when we get there to the hut. Yeah, we're at Lake Simcoe for ice fishing. We're gonna be going somewhere over there. Where is it? Just behind the house right over here. And I'll update you guys in a minute. Here, there's a couple of friends at Lake Simcoe. We're renting with Casey's fishing hut. As you can see, it's right there. So yeah, let's see how this goes. All right, guys, this is really loud in here. We're sitting in something called the Argo. It's a snow machine. I got my buddy here driving us to the All right, so here we are, guys. We're on Lake Simcoe. Ice fishing over here. This is our hut. This is what the hut looks like. So I'll just show you guys inside quickly. So there's a hole right here. You're gonna put your rod in there, and this is where we catch the fish. We already caught one fish. All right, so that was a bit funny. This is the situation here, guys. So I don't know if you can see inside the ice or under the ice. I mean, this is about 14 inches thick. So we have bathrooms. That little hut right there, that's the bathroom. Jeez, it's cold. Yeah, you can see inside here. See the boys here. Okay, so yeah, that's that. It's really cold. This Lake Simcoe is one of the most famous lakes in Canada for ice fishing. We have a lot of people coming from the States and other parts of the world just to ice fish over here. And yeah, it's so cold. I'm gonna head inside and I'll update you guys in a bit. I caught another one, eh? तूने करना तू सब कर सकता है एक बना तुझसे उसको 100 कर सकता है हंसता तू बहुत तू उतना रो सकता है मौत तेरे आने वाली कितना सोच सकता है तेरे लिए वो किसी और का सपना है मर रहा तू और किसी और का झगड़ा जहाँ से मैं रख परिवार पहले हाँ तू करेगा तेरा परिवार झेले कदम ध्यान से दे तेरा कदर जान दे रे मैं भी तेरे जैसा हम परेशान तेरे कितना मेरे पास कितना तेरे पास कितना मेरे नाम कितना तेरे नाम चालू करे काउंटर एक घंटा नहीं तू स्कूल गया पर तूने पढ़ा नहीं अच्छी बंदा फिरता पर लड़ा नहीं लालच बीमारी और मौत की कोई दवा नहीं सुन मेरा भाई तू किसी से भी बड़ा नहीं रब से बड़ा समीप पे कोई कला नहीं रब से बड़ा समीप पे कोई कला नहीं अब बोलना मत बोला नहीं हाँ we just got caught in a storm. Just waiting for the guy to pick us up from here. Yeah, we caught about 3 fish. And the boys are inside, they're hiding. It's really cold outside, so nobody wants to come outside. But yeah, this is just, look at that, man. Yeah, you can't see anything. Before I was able to see the shore. But now can't see nothing. It's like we don't even know which way's out. That's getting stuck. That's crazy, man. Yo, we're caught in a storm, guys. This is life and death situation. We don't know if we're gonna survive or not.
Yeah, your ass is wet too.
I know. I dropped beer in my seat, and I sat in my seat, man.
I thought fucking you shot your pants for the storm, bro.
Cheers. Oh, man, look at the snow coming down. I checked that out. That's pretty cool.
607.
So I got this beautiful Indian peacocks here. This is the classic color. Beautiful birds, man. Woo! There goes a female. If I can. Hi, buddy. Look at that beautiful, gorgeous bird, man. There goes the other female. I want to see the male fly. There you go. Look at that. Woo! There's another one. Let's go, buddy. See, that's the smaller male. The one over there. This is a young male. This one and the other one are about 2 years. That male, this male. And this one, we got him as a chick when he's a little baby. So he's probably got another year before he grows his tail. Oh, look at this guy. Hey, hey, baby girl. So these little guys are about the size of your house chicken, small chicken, I would say. So this is the female, and that's the male right there, male pheasant. Beautiful, beautiful birds. Oh, there's two females. Look at the male there, it's beautiful, man. Kind of skittish. And I used to a lot of people visiting them.